obstruction, that is all. So ulcero-proliferative growth है small intestine में. What else? Irregular borders, areas of necrosis, hemorrhage. What else do you have to say? So what will be the diagnosis? Malignant. So what is
Adenocarcinoma.
adenocarcinoma? Why not squamous cell carcinoma? Why not lymphoma? Any cancer can look like this. Why is it not squamous cell carcinoma?
There are no squamous cells.
Oh, you see from here, you have microscope vision. Because it is a small intestine. उसमें commonest tumor क्या होता है? Adeno. That is all. Just ठीक है. This one. Okay. How will you identify small intestine versus large intestine?
Like a circular.
Okay. Then what else? Tinea coli and
Circulation that are upset.
that is because of the tinea coli, right? So ये क्या है?
Mesentery.
Large intestine.
This is large intestine. इसमें tinea है. हाँ. So what is the pathology in this? ठीक है. Whichever intestine it is.
Tumor. Malignant tumor.
Describe. You will not go there and say this is tumor, no? You're seeing this is what is this?
Cut section.
Cut section है ना? This is specimen of intestine.
Site is typical, that is cerebellum. Okay, and if you look at the histology, there are numerous. Matlab, if you look at this, you won't see anything except capillary proliferation. What can you see here?
This is a section of the brain.
What section?
Slice,
Coronal section
of
ना?
the brain.
हाँ. कहाँ क्या लग रहा है तुम्हें कुछ abnormal?
Lateral ventricle में
इसमें this part
lateral ventricle.
there's a lesion which can be seen. The lesion is well circumscribed and there is no
It looks little necrotic, no?
necrotic. There's no signs of hemorrhage or congestion.
अच्छा और नीचे this is section of
Cerebellum.
cerebellum. What are you seeing here?
We can see a well circumscribed lesion with necrosis in the center. There's no evidence of invasion or
So what is this? This.
Satellite nodules.
So what you are seeing is multiple lesions in the brain. You can see 3 lesions in the cerebellum, 1 lesion near the basal ganglia, and these are like multiple satellite nodules. So what is your diagnosis?
Metastatic.
So that should be the first diagnosis. So METs can be solitary and METs can be multiple. है ना? If it's a solitary MET, then it's little difficult to make out the diagnosis.
गाइस जैसा कि आपको पता ही है कि नीट 2021 बिल्कुल आने ही वाला है और आपकी प्रिपरेशन बहुत अच्छी चल रही होगी. आपने अच्छे से रिवीजन किया होगा, आपने अच्छे से क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस की होगी, लेकिन अगर आपने मॉक टेस्ट नहीं दिए हैं तो आपकी प्रिपरेशन अधूरी है. मॉक टेस्ट ही है जिनसे आपको पता चलेगा कि लेटेस्ट नीट एग्जाम का पैटर्न है क्या, कैसा है, और आपको रियल एग्जाम जैसा फील होगा. इसीलिए अनअकैडमी लेके आया है ऑल इंडिया मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज जो कि 28 अगस्त से 9 सितंबर तक चलेगी, जिसमें 5 फुल लेंथ टेस्ट होंगे और जो कि फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट अवेलेबल होंगे. आप अनअकैडमी पे जाओ, एनरोल करो, एनरोल लिंक नीचे दिया हुआ है. यू कैन प्रेडिक्ट योर रैंक आपको अच्छे से प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हो कि बहुत सारे पूरे ऑल इंडिया वाले बच्चे उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे, तो आपकी रैंक प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हो कि कितनी रैंक आपकी नीट एग्जाम में आ सकती है. तो उसके हिसाब से आप अपने जो भी वीक एरियाज हैं उनको स्ट्रॉन्ग कर सकते हैं और अपनी जो रैंक है वो रियल नीट में इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं, मतलब अच्छी इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. तो टेस्ट होंगे, मॉक टेस्ट, उनके जो सारे क्वेश्चंस के सॉल्यूशंस है, वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस आपको अनअकैडमी में मिल जाएंगे. उसके लिए आपको एनरोल करना है. एनरोल लिंक नीचे दिया गया है और उस पर जो कोड यूज करना है वो यूज करना है DRX डॉक्टर X आपको यूज करना है. और आप इन मॉक टेस्ट को जरूर दें क्योंकि फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है और आपको जो नीट का है पूरा लेटेस्ट पैटर्न के बारे में पता लगेगा और जो आपका स्ट्रेस है वो भी उससे कम हो जाएगा, क्योंकि आप बहुत सारे जो 5 टेस्ट हैं वो अगर आप अटेम्प्ट करते हैं तो आपको 100% है कि कुछ मार्क्स तो इंक्रीज होंगे ही.
Over here it is lifting the periosteum and it is going into the surrounding soft tissue. So now because it is bony hard and because it is arising long bone and my diagnosis is osteosarcoma. Okay, this is a slice of the lung. Then you should describe what all. First external appearance. What is? And what about the pleura? ठीक है, the pleura looks shiny and it looks normal, right? Now the cut section में what are you saying?
TB meningitis.
This was the first patient's. Okay, this was the first patient's lung at autopsy. You make out ना? Last time तो इससे भी बढ़िया था वो वाला. है ना? Miliary tubercles. So this was miliary tuberculosis. And there is the second one. Okay, this is the other patient. Now this is it's in the form of a heart-lung complex, right? This is the heart. Okay, this is very interesting. ये क्या है? What is this?
Larynx.
This is larynx. So trachea, and then this is one lung, the other lung, and this is the heart. Now, if you see over here, what do you think this organ is? Sitting on.
Thyroid.
Okay. This patient even had thyroid meds. See this whole thing is a metastasis to the left lobe of thyroid, and then lung mass. नहीं. This lung is looking fine. Now, what do you see in this lung externally? What is all this?
Papillary projection.
Miliary से तो ये बहुत बड़ा है ना. Miliary is 1 to 2 mm. What is all this on the external surface? What is this structure?
Nodules, छोटे-छोटे.
This is pleura, right? So pleura में it is studded with these grey white nodules, and this is the upper lobe in which you are seeing this huge tumor.
ट्यूमर का.
ये पूरा tumor है ना?
Okay.
अच्छा.
Okay. Yeah, and these are the hilar lymph nodes which are also positive. Okay, now what is wrong with this lung? Externally ये बताओ. This is what specimen?
Lung specimen.
What?
Pneumonectomy.
This is a pneumonectomy. You can see the fissures, right? This is one whole side of the lung, one whole lung. No, not
नहीं.
necessarily.